If you're looking to target your ads to people on Facebook with better accuracy than the interest and demographic choices that they give you, then keep watching because I'm going to show you how to add the Facebook pixel to WordPress step by step. Hi everyone, David Jackson here with slingandstonemarketing.com, and if you want to learn the tools and strategies to help you overcome the giant obstacles keeping you from marketing your business, then make sure you click the subscribe button below. Having the Facebook pixel on your website will allow you to show your ads to the right people that visited a specific page, such as a product page, or taken a desired action like those that made a purchase or signed up for your email newsletter. You'll also be able to create a lookalike audience so that you can target more people who are just like your best customers. And when you create your ads, you can drive more sales and more leads by optimizing for your desired action. But before any of that can happen, you have to have the pixel on your website to start collecting data. So let's get started with the installation. So first we're going to come in and sign into our WordPress website. Then we're going to go over here to the left to plugins and add new. And the plugin we are looking for is called Insert Headers and Footers. And here it is, and we'll just click on Install Now. And what this plugin will allow us to do is to install the Facebook pixel code without having to deal with any of the template code on our website. And then that way we don't have to worry about doing something wrong and breaking our website. So this makes it nice and easy for us. After it's installed, just go ahead and click Activate. And then we're going to come over here to Settings and Insert Headers and Footers. So you should be seeing a page like this where you can put all of your tracking scripts, and we're going to put the Facebook pixel in the scripts in the header. So it tells you exactly what this does. These scripts will be printed in the head section. So now let's go over to Facebook and grab our pixel code. Okay, so now that we're on Facebook, we're going to come over here on the drop down, go down to Manage Ads. And then we're going to come up here to where it says Ads Manager. And if you don't have pixels showing up right here, then come down to All Tools, and then under Events Manager, click on Pixels. Now if you haven't created a pixel yet, then you'll see a page like this. And then you'll just come down here and click on Create a Pixel. Then it's going to ask you to give your pixel a name. It doesn't really matter what you name it. You can always change it later. But after you're done with that, just click on Create. And then it's going to give you some options for installing your pixel code. There's an integration or tag manager option. So if you have a BigCommerce web store or a Shopify or something like that, it makes it a lot easier for you to integrate the Facebook pixel into your website. Also, if you're using Google Tag Manager, if you have that already installed on your website, then you can use that as well. But as of right now, there is not any automatic integration with the WordPress website. So what we're going to do is we're going to come down here and we're going to click on Manually Install the Code Yourself. But if you have a web developer, you can also just email them the instructions and then they'll take care of it for you. So I'm going to click on Manually Install It Myself. And here it's saying that the code needs to go in between the head tags. We'll be doing that. We have a plugin installed that'll do exactly that. And we're going to come down and hover over here and click on Copy to copy the pixel code to our clipboard. Then with that on our clipboard, we're going to come over back to our WordPress website, and where it says the scripts in header, we're going to go ahead and paste our code in there. And then we're going to come down and click on Save. And now our Facebook pixel code is on our website. So now all we need to do is check to make sure that it's working and that it's firing. Then we're going to come over to the Chrome Extensions website, and we're going to search for the Facebook Pixel Helper. There it is there. And you can see that I already have it installed, but you'll click on there, and then for you, it'll just say Install. You click on that, it'll go ahead and install it on your Chrome browser. And then once that's done, there should be a little icon up here in the top corner that says Facebook Pixel Helper. So we're going to use this to make sure that our pixel is firing correctly. So we'll go back to our WordPress website, and we're going to look at the home page. And as you can see up here in the corner, our Facebook pixel is showing that it is firing a page view and capturing it correctly. We got the little check marks there. So everything is working perfectly fine. Another way to check to make sure that your pixel is working and firing correctly is to go back to the Facebook website, and in the install pixel code, you're going to come down to the bottom, and then it will send test traffic to make sure that your pixel is working. And if you send test traffic to your website and it's after 20 minutes it's still showing that there's no pixel activity, then there are some guidelines that you can use to troubleshoot what might be the problem on your website. But if you followed along with this tutorial, then you shouldn't have any problems. And once you're done with that, go ahead and click on Continue. And it'll bring you to this page where you can set up your Facebook tracking events. I go more in depth into this in another video, which I will link to up here at the top right. And I will also put a link to the video in the description below. So basically what these events do is it allows you to track certain events that happen on your website, such as if someone adds a product to a cart or makes a purchase, or even signs up for your email newsletter. And in that way you can put them into a custom audience in your ads manager and run specific targeted ads to them. For now, I'm just going to go ahead and click on Done. And now you have a Facebook pixel installed on your WordPress website. I hope this video was helpful for you. And if you followed along with this tutorial and installed a Facebook pixel on your website, use the hashtag GiantSlayer in the comments below. It'll let me and others know that you overcome this obstacle that was standing in your way. And if you want to see more videos like this where I share tools and strategies to help you overcome the giant obstacles that are keeping you from marketing your business, make sure you click the subscribe button. I thank you all for taking your time to watch this, and until the next video, go out and slay some giants.